What's up, guys? Give me a second, I'm trying to fix my camera. I don't really need it though, but let's see. Alright. Let's make sure everything's good. Alright, I'm gonna go through the list. I'm gonna wait. We're gonna stay here for 10 minutes and just chill. And then I'm gonna go through the list because if someone had a private account, I might have missed them. So I just want to make sure we have everyone that entered on the list. You can see your list. You can see your name through this if you can read upside down, but I'm gonna scroll through this in a second. How can I enter the giveaway? Entries are closed, brother. It's been a week to join. I mean, if you can somehow deposit in 5 minutes, a $10 deposit on Prime, 2 comments. I mean, tag 2 people on the comments. Like the tweet. Yeah, you're kind of late, unfortunately. Let's see if I can fix the chat. Yeah, very late. It's okay if you didn't like the post. Ideally, I would appreciate it if you did, but the main 2 parts were commenting to people and doing the $10 deposit on Prime XPT. Let's see if that fixed it. Okay, that does. Let's move the chat here, though. Yeah, you entered 7-8 hours ago. That's chill. No problem. I would adjust my mic. I don't know where else to put it. I think this is a good spot. Yeah, I'm gonna scroll down slowly. I'm gonna wait a few more minutes for a little bit more people to join, though. I mean, I might as well just do it now. We'll do it twice, so you guys can start looking. What do I think about 10x leverage? I think that leverage is an irrelevant variable when it comes to trading. What matters is your account balance and how much you're risking on that trade compared to your account balance. Using the leverage multiplier is not going to help you solve that. It just lets you risk more or less, but that doesn't change that doesn't help you calculate your risk on your account balance, which is what's more important. I entered, but I don't see my name. Can you tag or can you send the link to your 2 comments or your 1 comment, please? Where you tag 2 people? I'm doing well, S. Just trying to do this giveaway and then trying to trade the market. There's not really anything to trade right now, but that short I caught earlier was great. I closed at the low too for now. You see your name now? Great. Yeah, you're here. Yeah, Sebastian, mainly BTC for like 99% because that's just what I'm better at. I have no reason to trade alts and risk more money. Rainer, can you send the link to your tweet response? If you can send your tweet response, I'd appreciate it and I can find it. Good morning, Pineapple. Yes, sir. Vikram? My account's private, yeah. So can you go unprivate? Let me win, bro? Sorry, man, this is completely random. You're gonna see the thing spin, and if it lands on you, it lands on you. But you have a chance, though. You're being stalked. I mean, I have to see that you... I can send you a request. No, can you go on private for just 5 minutes? I just have to see that you did it, and then you can go private again. OT. No, you're not there. Or are you? No. Damn, sorry to hear, Rainer. Yeah, you can tag it right now. We're gonna wait like 10-15 minutes before we start. Yeah, Chris, you're already on it. I saw it. I remember adding you. Right here. Tommy. No, I don't see you. If you guys Explorer, sorry man, you would have had to already have deposited by now. The giveaway's been out for like a week now. I'm gonna go through the list right now. If you don't see your name on the list, send your tweet, the link of you commenting. Send that tweet in the chat box. Yeah, Wizarding Wealth, you're on it. What do I expect for BTC by Friday? I don't know, bro. I take everything day to day. That's what I like to do these days. There's so many people on Twitter that draw like squiggly line scenarios, and like I used to do that too. It's just such bullshit. Everything changes so fast, like day to day. Like you can't, like it's just. I think it's just unnecessary to try to predict so far in advance. Vikram, can you show me your name? I don't see it. You didn't send the link. I need you guys to send a link. If I missed you from the list, you need to send a link of your tweet into the chat. Okay, I'm going through the list right now. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys I'm gonna give you guys 7 minutes. If you're not on this list, You need to send the link of you tagging 2 friends into the chat. Of course, Shetty, got you. No problem. You sent the link above. I don't see it. It might not let you actually. Just DM it to me. DM it to me. No, you have to DM it to me on Twitter, please. Thanks for the sub. Gold dumping. Gold and silver are great to trade. They've been moving so nice and so volatile. I think gold and silver trade like how Bitcoin used to trade like in 2019, which I actually like. Okay, I really want to start the giveaway, guys. We have 5 minutes. If you're not on the list, you would have had to already enter the giveaway. And if your name is missing from the list and you did enter, please DM me on Twitter literally right now. Otherwise, you're gonna get missed out. Okay, I just responded to you, Vikram. One second, guys. Remember, guys, you had to also deposit $10 on the Prime XBT link. If you entered the giveaway and didn't deposit, your entry is going to be voided. You had to do the deposit and the comments. Yeah, some of you are messaging me trying to join without depositing. If I add you to the list on accident and you didn't deposit, I'm going to be checking timestamps to see if you created the account before I went live. Sorry guys, give me like a few minutes to do this. Okay, I see Shiva, I see the one that your friend said. I don't know how I missed him. No, I don't think I'm gonna add this one. This was made just for my giveaway. I was checking for that too. If an account was just freshly made, just for the giveaway, I consider that a possible duplicate entry. There was no accounts that did that actually. There's only one person right now that's showing me an account that was freshly made. And Dre Soul, I'm messaging you back right now. Sorry for the delay, guys. We're about to do this. Yeah, Christian, sorry man. Too late to enter. Kosh, too late to enter. I'm gonna go through the list one more time before we start. Okay. I had a bunch of people that messaged me. I responded to everyone. I'm giving you guys a few minutes to answer, and if no, it's on Prime XBT, Debo. Dre, I'm waiting for your answer. Can you confirm for me, please? 'Cause I don't think I'm missing anyone, honestly, because the deposits on the $10 and the 79 people honestly match. So I think we're good. Everyone else is just trying to get in without the deposit. So Big Bro missed me. Can you send your can you send me the link to your comment, or can you DM it to me, please? Like right now. Yeah, no, Dre, sorry man. The giveaway was all week, and you had to do 3 steps to join. This is just the live stream for the drawing. Sorry man, you won't be able to join, unfortunately. But I'm happy to have you guys here. Okay, well I think we're good. Seems like everything's good. I was just worried if we were one short or one extra. Or no, just one short. I wanted to make sure that we were good. So I think we're going for it. Are you guys ready? We have 2 laptops, and we're gonna have 2 winners. I'm honestly nervous for you guys. I don't even know what to click. I think I just clicked the center. Should I go? You guys ready? Let's get some dubs in the chat. Let's get some dubs in the chat before I click it. Let's get some dubs. Okay, hold on. Someone just sent me a UID. Let me make sure. Let me make sure I'm not missing him. I just want to make sure. I wouldn't want someone to be left out. Oh, this guy actually did. Okay. Are you not on the list? Oh, you must have not commented. Okay, so yeah, Rainer, your name on YouTube is different than your Twitter name, right? Wow. Where would you be? Yeah. All right. Looks good? Looks good, Rainer? You confirmed your UID, everything's good? No, he's not scamming. He sent me proof that he joined the giveaway. All right. 80 participants. Should I just click it? I'm teasing all of you. Yeah, again, and if, hold on 1 second. We're about to do it. 1 second. 1 second, my bad. Sorry guys, I just want to make sure everything is being done correctly. Okay. So, I'm going to spin this. If you faked your entry somehow, I'm going to make sure everything is correct. So if someone wins, there's going to be 2 winners. If I'm going to message the 2 winners. I'm going to make sure that your Prime XPT deposit went through, everything was legit before the entry, that you liked the tweet, and that you tagged 2 friends. If you somehow did something wrong or didn't do that correctly, you're going to be disqualified from the giveaway. And then someone else will be repicked from this list. So we're going to go ahead. 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Sorry for the nerves. Sorry for the nerves. All right, 10. 5 seconds, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, that's the first winner. We got George. George. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, and then we're gonna spin it one more time. You got removed from the list. And we're good to go. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. And now, there it is. I don't know who that is. Let's see. Shiva, congratulations. I don't know how to say your name, sorry. Kashav, congratulations. Hopefully you guys wanted or need these laptops. We wanted to just give back to the community in some form of way, and I thought this was a good giveaway idea. And that's it. Thanks for participating, guys. Wow. One time for fun? One time for fun? I don't know. How about we chart a little? Any questions? Any alts? I already messaged the winners too. Nobody make a fake account and try to trick me. I'm gonna get annoyed. I'm just gonna block the accounts. Popcat. I suck at charting alts. Let's see. Yeah. I'm personally not a fan, but who knows? I'm not good at alts. I don't know, it looks cooked for some reason. Maybe I'm tripping. Am I tripping? Is this gonna just go back up? It can. I don't know. I don't really like to chart alts. I would rather like do a Bitcoin analysis. Like daily candle was pretty bare, but I think we can do some sort of formation like this, and then possibly go lower. Start the monthly low, and then like this is honestly, this is best case scenario. Like if we do this, this is what I've been thinking about for the last like over the last week. If we see some sort of sweep to 84K, like I'm gonna go on like huge on a long, like pretty decent account risk if we see the setup, because I don't know, I would say this is like an 85% hit rate if we do this and form some sort of structure here. I would really be interested in this setup. I've been talking about this setup in my Discord too with like a bunch of people. I think this would be the trade of the year if it. Well, the trade of the year was here, and I unfortunately didn't play the move as good as I could, but I still caught most of it. I think this would be like a really good continuation to the bull market if we do something like this. Sorry, I'm looking at comments. Yeah, so if you commented twice, I only put you once on the list. If you commented twice, it doesn't matter. I made sure that nobody had a duplicate entry on the list. I had a conversation with ChatGPT. His name is on the wheel once. Nobody had duplicates. If you want. Yeah, see, I can show you. There would be another name if he's on here twice. No, he's good. What leverage do I use? Hey man, leverage is irrelevant. So like I could be 200x leverage, I could be 2x leverage. Like if I tell you I'm 200x leverage, what does that do for you? Like what do you gain from knowing it's 200x? And what do you gain from knowing it's 50x? And what do you gain from knowing it's 2x? It doesn't give you any information. It really doesn't. The real information is how much dollars am I risking and how much my account balance is. But I mean, I don't really need to talk about my account balance like publicly, like it's private information, but I tell you guys how much I'm risking. Like I show you the stop loss, you see the defined risk reward. This is how it is. The leverage multiplier doesn't give anyone any information. I might be wrong with the way I look at it. I think the leverage tool is literally a scam that the exchanges like advertise for people to think it's important for them to risk big by leveraging big. But it's all, I don't know. That's just what I think. I might be delusional or something. I don't know. But yeah, this is a great scenario if we do this for Bitcoin. Ethereum is dog shit and has been dog shit. Some trendline resistance here. Significant trendline resistance here. Like this is very bearish in my opinion. We have a daily bearish divergence as well. I was looking at that for a few days. Like this is not good, honestly. Like if we were truly bullish, we should be consolidating above this. Maybe it's gonna do that and then start doing that. And if it does that, no problem. And then we flip long and we start targeting the longs. Everything is all about invalidations and knowing when you have to switch sides. You're right here, Roel. Am I holding? I'm currently in no margin position right now. I was short. This was my short setup yesterday. It was like this. So I entered this yesterday, lower target. Closes at the low. We had some sort of absorption on like the low time frame, and I don't know, I just like people say like, oh, why don't you hold fully to target? Okay, you know why? I don't want to wait 12 hours of stress holding a position. Like it's just, I'd rather stay flat and then just re-enter later, like when I feel comfortable. Like I made money, like I'm happy with the money. You don't need to always, I don't know, sometimes trading can be stressful, and if you just want to stay flat and enjoy yourself, you don't need to stay in a trade. You can close for the money. Like a 3% move is a big move. I don't know where it's from on the hourly, but this is a 4% move. This is a huge move. So many people on Twitter are closing for like a $600 move. So, you know, I try to do my best. Sorry, I haven't really been, I've literally just been rambling. I'm not even looking at the chat. Okay, let's see. Any other giveaways soon? I can't believe I just won. Congratulations, man. Do I trade full time? Yeah, basically, this is what I do full time. I started in like early 2018, and I was still in school. I worked a job, and around like 2021, 2022, I branched off, and I'm doing this solo now, just full time. I trade every day, and yeah, this is my life now. Decent amount, Chris. But I will say that I went through like a lot. Like, you know, I went through a lot these last like 7 years. Like, I've had down streaks. I like at some point I lost everything too. Like in 2020, I don't know when it was. Like margin trading, I had such a bad losing streak in like 2020. Like after COVID ended. It was like not after COVID ended, like just not like during the crash from 8K to 4K. Like that was still fine, and I'm still in spot. I'm talking about only margin trading here. Spot trading is a completely different discussion. But yeah, man, I did so well, and it was 2021, not 2020. Sorry, I'm getting my years confused. I had such a huge winning streak in 2021. I think I had like literally 8 months of over like 75% win rate, and I wiped all of that in like 2 months, just being stupid. All of it's on Twitter too, like all the losses. I think I lost like 30 times in a row. It was awful. So that took a dent in a lot of my profits from that year in 2021. But we're grinding, man. We're grinding. We're putting in the work. This was a great month. I had a pretty rough year, quarter 2, quarter 3 this year. It wasn't too good, but sorry, I'm looking at tweets and stuff. Quarter 2, quarter 3 was so. It wasn't disastrous. I think in total I only lost like 10K in quarter 2, quarter 3, and this month alone I'm up like 17K trading. So it's nice to be able to bounce back and take it from here. Hopefully December is going to be a huge month. Rowell, who won? I'm gonna just tweet it right now. Sorry, I got distracted talking to you guys. Actually, I'm gonna end the live stream. I'm gonna tweet the result. Actually, how should I do it? No, I'll just do a separate tweet. Winners. Yeah, I'm gonna. Anyone have any other questions? Because I'm gonna just end the live stream. Do we have anyone here? How many people we got left? So I got like 20 people. But yeah, Chris, I mean, if you want to ask me anything else, do I plan on sharing your long-term positions on Twitter? Yeah, I share. Oh, long-term positions like spot, dude. I've done that. All of my like buys from 4K and from like 18K are on Twitter. From when I was like MACBOOK posting and saying that everyone should go all in. So if you're new to following me, you can just go back and check it out if you'd like. When I bought at 4K, I sold a little bit on the run up to, what was it, 50? And then I took that big short, the big short that's pinned on my pinned tweet. And then I didn't rebuy at 30. I margin rebought, and then we rallied and then I closed at like 45. This is in 2021. And then we rallied to 69. I sold it early. In terms of margin, and I was already out most spot because it was from 4K to 50, and I caught some ETH too. And then when we hit 18K last year, or what was it, 2 years ago, I was max bull posting, like we re-entered positions. It was honestly the greatest entry ever. I literally made like a fucking Google Docs analysis straight up, like I don't know where it is honestly, but I basically said we're going to 100K from 18K. I can honestly find it. Maybe let me find it. So literally, I created it and I never looked at it again. I just put it away. Sent it to my friend and I told him follow this. It was like a 3-page like PDF. Anyways, long ETH, thank me later. Am I buying this dip? Anything I'm buying from this dip? No, man. I'm honestly bearish. Like we could bounce back like that, but like, what is that? Yeah, it's $2,000 move. Go for a $2,000 move, and then what? I mean, I'm not. If we like, you can long above here for a better trade than longing down here, like, which seems dumb, but I don't think it is. Like, because if we break above here, like, we're going up. Like, it's gonna move like that probably, or some sort of like slow, healthy uptrend, maybe with like a wick. You know? As of right now, this is what I think. So Chris, I'm also charting on my laptop in front of me, and I have like a bunch of levels and other things too. But everything I'm doing here is also like is accurate and just generally how I would chart as well. Yo, Khalil, how are you doing? Yeah, so in this cycle, Sebastian, I've only sold like a little bit. Not, I would like to sell everything at like 150 or 140, and I think that even might be selling early, or I don't know. I really don't know. I told a few of my friends that I don't want to take it based off a number that I'm predicting. I'd rather wait for like here. So for in previous bull markets, when a blow off top happens, let's say we move. Let's say in the near future, this is what happens. I'm not saying this is what's going to happen. Let's just use it as an example. And then we accelerate. And then we do something like this. Once we do something like this, and then pull back up like this, I think this is where you sell spot on this leg back up. This happened in 2017. It basically happened every time. I'm pretty sure it happened every time. I mean, it happened here. Like, yeah, like you do maybe lose out on a little bit more, but okay, this one I didn't count this one. It felt early for some reason. It happened here. I think there will be some sort. We're not gonna just top and then go down. There's always going to be like another. There's going to be another exit usually, in my opinion. Yeah, exit at the higher low. I'm Persian, Max. So yeah, Chris, SR. I'm a fan of the Ichimoku Cloud, Bollinger Bands, RSI. I read candlesticks. I think it's important to understand like what each candlestick means. I also use intuition a lot. Like if I like have a setup that is really obvious, or if I'm like looking at it and like something in the back of my mind is like telling me like this is off, or like something is a little suspicious, I take that into account. I think it's notable to take things like that into account. Even though like emotions and stuff is generally something that you should disregard. Sometimes it could be you can use it to your advantage when you have like a really strong feeling like, oh, like I should stay flat, or like maybe right now is not a good time to trade, and then like, you see a trade and like you think it's a good trade, but in reality it's not, because you told yourself a little bit ago that you shouldn't trade right now, so because things are off or whatever. So intuition is also important. Experience, all that stuff. I think that's it though. I think we're all good. I hope I posted some like low-key alpha here too that we're gonna look back on later. But yeah, leaning slightly bearish, looking to possibly reshort a bounce, and if I'm wrong and we just go up only, I already made money shorting, and I'm gonna look for a long scenario like that. Yeah, every trade I've ever taken is basically on Twitter. So you can, yeah, I bought 150 bucks of Chogai at 22 cents. So it's definitely going to go to zero since I dipped my toes in it. But I literally bought the low, like my entry's here. Only 150 bucks. I don't really trade alts. Like I just I did it for fun, honestly. I thought the meme was funny. Like Ethereum literally looks like dog shit. I don't understand. Like it's just been underperforming all year for no reason. Some stocks. Snapchat. That's all I have to say. Get ready for Snapchat. Get ready. I'm not kidding. I'm bullish on Snapchat. Not financial advice. I'm 25 years old. Okay, I think we're gonna end the stream here, guys. I had a good time. I'm happy for the winners. I'm happy that you guys participated. This will definitely not be the only giveaway. We'll do more soon. I promise. I think we're gonna end it here, guys. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming by. Thinking about doing some more live streams soon for trading as well. So see you guys around.